Hey!
Hey! Making a documentary?
Yeah?
Well, come on, I'll show you the progress.
Alright. Just take this in. I'll just down.
This is the trench. It's 6 feet deep, 3 feet wide. A little slower. This is where the pipe that will carry whatever the fluid is. I think it's got some antifreeze in it and some other chemicals. They'll be laid in this trench, and there are 2 more like it on the other side. We'll get to that in a second. Dandy. That's my cat. And the world's ugliest dog is behind you.
Well, can't really see her. Oh, on this side.
Horses don't like it. So this has been exhausting labor-wise. But soon enough, this is the ground that will be dissipating the cool air in the winter and the warm air in the summer. Stuff here, it's muddy. I don't know if you can maybe squat down out of the sun. And here, let me just have that. That is another 300-foot trench, and that's yet another. And I'll give you an idea of the scale. That might give you some idea of the scale. Hey, we should shoot this from the upstairs playroom. Alright, so we'll be back with more in just a bit.